passing away onto the better life.
Right now I'm currently driving around the Noster Cemetery in Noster, Missouri. Came across this old grave plot that's got an old rickety iron fence around it. It's got one grave still standing, one grave that looks like it's fallen over. I'll zoom in. Can't quite read the name, but born and died in the 1800s, so some pretty old graves out here. But I just thought this one was very interesting. It's kind of got that cool, creepy feel to it. Did a little EVP session around it to see if I'd catch anything, so when I get back to the house I'll look at the recording and see what I find.
That'll put roses on my grave. I've got a